Ayadea a hadrin. And in coming days, yeah, I can see a visit sa stretch no. Did kind now no ye can say way about speed ramps are for a year war. Would the free a dijama a de kwa kokoka poku krum. A hona yet me an anti-drew. Ya can't same way Emma Ghana Highway Authority mo ankasa kra no mo acknowledge say saade no mo hu mate mbetu hu anamon the see ya ka say ade no ya kan no e da so ho our problem ne say mo design mo approved ramsa ye wo kwan so nti so obi ye bi Nessa at the problem and I can tell you. Omo nam kwan so no. Yes, be I bet me a regulate speed near the driver phone be homo hard drain. But concerns are urban complaints are urban. The highway authority and pay. But some is kai mu bi say e dim komo. Ya kan wasem pen on this platform. And me pesa me kaimo se en ye hu bibia nsi ye nsesa hwe ye nsesa hwe enji se ma ho kwan ni agya tum se entena ho a ana se enkosoa enwo ho ni entimi nsesa emnya the approved one enhwe en regulate niema. Then we are accepting that obi asori obetima ye de ope okwan so. Oh yeah. Akoma FM 87.9. In the highway for ye sign boss bio ye kai mo e wo san komo no ho. Number 2. Offinso Kumasi Offinso stretch. Say ufri Akoma from Akoma ko nyina ye sa heavy duty trucks no e na wo kwan no. After Azo no e kwan a ye between e ho ne ahinkuro kasa kase ne se kwan no. Oma se ni mpo oma se na ma say e kwan no edidi abam edidi. And you see ye be na yankasa ye friends and trofo say e kwan na say ye mfa cameras mra metwa ne mo aban achi na aban meye. Meanwhile say see aye kasa so kodru ho ensu atata kwan no ho no ni nyina no eye the course of sarcasm heavy duty cars any filling station wo kwan no ho. And obi a wafa kwan no so bia no pe na wafa kwan no so pe no obedi adanse ye oba bia edidi e kwan na didia bamu amaze say udru ho a se cars ni bia park wo ho a e difficult say two cars betimi abonsa ho ho. And you see ye wo kwan no so no anopai mu tie mi a drivers am wo kwan no so heavy duty cars am wo kwan no so am park wo kwan no so no e ho se mu dwene ho se ade na mo ye no and you know munim. Because me am take ma mi twam ma hu se ade wa e koso yi e se kwan no a na wo gina ho wo a wa park wo ho enso tata kwan no ho 87.9 Kumasi kasa kese ni gina ho ama mana betoto ho yete ha ye hwe ye koka ye be gwa be hwie azo no wa wie because on park wo akire nti no so onya fa azo no so wie na ye hu ni load ordinamo a na obe park wo ho. And they are destroying the road. One unfortunate thing is that Ubedu na police fojina ho. That is unfortunate. Adia ba ko jane say police fojina Ubedu na police fojina ho. Ubedu ho no na police fojina ho jina cars. E kwan ni say just few meters away from baby omujina no. E kwan ni say kwan no almost say kwan no police ontimi nka. ni interest ne say obegyina ho no de why ye kone bra gyina ho fa we bra ne ade eno asa they know omunim yet kremu saka sakesie say yakwan nyina yet ho ye di ne ye hwe omo saa enti mpanimfo mfa kwa no so omo fa kwa no so they know de ye nam kwa no so aye hunu mpanimfo no so omo nam kwa so mo hu bi. In fact, passengers are complaining about that stretch. Yet so, yet home, ye share a quantity best say we are not. I just said John assemble beka. Akoma from the family romo near Fresa Joe Quano and a quano and a quano mamma fiana mumma chat namuka can was them on befraying. But ne. Udru hona police officer ni jina ka chen say aban e kwa no mo se no udru aka kire no so ohun ya udru aka kire no kana I mean say ye nim sometimes mpanimfo no aye bo mutiri so no edisi ye bo ye kroma ye nim ye mpanimfo aye ne omo wokuri mu oman mu ye nim omo enti ade ye say ya wo se ye sorry e kwa no from Bremai ha e kokosi Boho, ye hui, see who said a quantity say. How many times near can was him? How many times any account was him? Ya near quadrugy so, near can, and one near quadrugy so now say, I say ye, near quadrugy so now say ye, and Kaye, a boy Tim so Hodebia account was him saying, a boy cried to me, also a boy to me, a boy to me, boy need to me, at least a maintain a quino. Ye can't near the Akko, ye can't near the Akko, we are 87.9 Kumasi. The Quana say, mpanimfo no ye bebo mutiri so nti se yen nim ye mpanimfo aye omo krom ha ene hawa e wo se ye ka asema ne ye ansa no matu anamo na se kwan ne se ne be diam ya sha ye de ye beka eye terrible, very terrible. Say kwan no o ma ya ma at least in distance or see the makwan parking anyway, yet nyina omo fa nye hwe they don't care wono bia wo twa makobokina okoduru on ade na oye wa ha na oye comfortable no onkoye wo ho onye obokina kan wo di remo bokina onkoye wo ho but obaye wo krom ha na ban gina ho aban ni dia ne say kan ne mesin ko we mesin bra dia aka no emfa no ho ese mo man hu hia wo Ghana man me no dia manyi wani menka so mfa ho ye nyina no ye mfa akoma pa emfa moa sini ya yenko yanim na mo mfra kwa me ebo am bosom twonra de me ka kire highway fo no mo so ye mo dwuma se kwa no mo mfa so ye bekwa kotia beka ye bekwa akosha beka kire mo akase mo so mbetu hu anamo omo se kwan no omo se kwan no ahe ene enya wo mo ho ahe nom de maye azu ye be wie bu hu nkonta na basa ye bu hu nkonta basa zo cars no se kwan kokoshe wo de wa nam kwan no so bia no pay a utie me no pay attention to baby America no after azu no e kwa akoka hinkuro frosro ho kakra no hwe se de heavy duty cars no se kwan no omo fa parking ho Akoma FM 87.9 omo fa ho parking omo mfa ho highway ya de abo na agugu baabi abo moba na de yasesa na de agu baabi e wo ho edidi ba kwan mfimfin ti be ka kakra no left e ba na right e ba na kwan no mu atwa efiri hen yenim but they on Mimpotamu. Mimpotamu. Akoma